Hi, my name's Daniel and I'm a Technical Adoption Specialist at Data3 and I'm here to share some top tips for your Surface Hub. Bluetooth Proximity Join. Did you know that you can take calls on a Surface Hub without even booking them? Using Bluetooth Proximity Join, all I need to do is have my Bluetooth enabled on my device, stand in the same room as the Surface Hub and then select Room Audio in the lobby of the Teams meeting. I select the Surface Hub and hit Join. The Surface Hub rings, I answer the call, and now I'm joined in the meeting on both devices. The mic and the speaker on my device are automatically muted to avoid any feedback, and I can even leave the meeting on my device and the call will persist on the Surface Hub. A lot of people don't realize this function exists, and I think it's awesome. If you've got any questions or want to know how we can help you get the most out of your Surface Hub, visit us today at data3.com/partners/Microsoft.